Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's have a look at the top stories. Group 7 angry Congress MLAs demand leadership change. Matkaikar says 80% Congress MLAs with them. Rane's name proposed as successor. Rane says if party instructs, I'm ready. Churchill joins hands with angry MLAs as Finance Department objects to his 1,000 crore rupees file. Will CM burden Goans with a loan of 1,000 crore rupees to save his chair? Matani in Delhi to raise voice against CRZ demolitions to meet Jairam Ramesh to save the dwellings of traditional fishermen. John's remand extended by 5 more days. Police raid John's establishments, charge him with destruction of evidence. And politics and stamina enter quarter-finals of All Goa 2020 cricket tournament. Now the news in detail. Political circuit in Goa is undergoing a major twist. Present situation hints that Digambar Kamath might exit as the CM and Speaker Pratap Singh Rane may take over the post. Some unsatisfied MLAs from the ruling side have already started meetings with the group of 7. Even the Speaker has agreed to accept any big responsibility if given by his party. Pandurang Matkaikar has said that picture will be clear by Thursday.
It is a new generation politics of Goan legislatures. First propose the work to the Chief Minister. If rejected or delayed, then oppose the government. Even threaten to topple the government or demand leadership change. We have observed such modus operandi by ruling legislatures in Digambar Kamath government on several occasions. The opposition withers as soon as their demands are fulfilled. This is the main reason why the veteran and staunch politicians never associated themselves with such moves. Now, Speaker Pratap Singh Rane's name has come up as the replacement for Kamath. Surprisingly, Senior Rane has not taken this development casually.
काँग्रेस सरकारांतलो एक ग्रूप तयार जाला आणि ते चेंज इन लिडरशीप मागता. त्यांनी पयलीं नांव तुमचे फुड्यान केलां की तुमी मुख्यमंत्री दुसरे मुख्यमंत्री जावचे म्हणून.
हांव पक्षाचो मनीस काँग्रेस पक्षान आसा आनी म्हाका आनी दुसरे कडेन खंय वचपाचें ना आनी काँग्रेस पक्षान जें कितें सांगता तें हांव करपाक तयार आसा.
When our reporter Laukik Shilkar spoke to him, he was very clear. If party assigns me this responsibility, then I am ready. He even said that something wrong is happening in the government and that needs to be corrected.
त्यांचेच मंत्री हे सुद्दां चेंज इन लिडरशीप मागता अशी परिस्थिती कित्याक म्हणून येयली अशें दिसता?
हांव हेचेर कांय भाश्य करूं शकना. सभापती असल्या कारणान म्हाजो संबंद असल्या हितूर येयना.
अशी परिस्थिती येवपाची कारणां कितें आसतली?
कारणां म्हणजे असंतोष कितें तरी आसूं शकता लोकांच्या मदीं. ते बसून सोडोवपाचो प्रश्न. आनी हांव असो म्हणजे कोणी सांगलें म्हणून असो उडयो मारचो ना हांव. समजलें? म्हाका पार्टीचे अध्यक्ष किंवा हेंचे जे सांगलें जाल्यार कितें मान्य करूं शकता म्हणून ते समंजस रितीन कितें आसलें जाल्यार परंतु म्हाका दिसना अशें कितें परिस्थिती जावं शकता की ना ती.
On the other side, the number of unsatisfied souls in the Congress is increasing day by day. By Tuesday evening, Churchill, Reginald, Agnel Fernandez, Pandurang Matkaikar and Francis Silvera had come together. As per our reliable sources, Dayanand Narvekar and Pratap Gaus have also joined the bandwagon. At present, the unsatisfied souls are saying only one thing. We need the Congress government. We are not concerned about the state leadership. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye met Vishwajit Rane.
फाल्यां जर प्रताप सिंग राणेचें नांव जर फाल्यां प्रपोज केलें जाल्यार फाल्यां जर प्रपोज केलें जाल्यार ग्रूप ऑफ 7 तुमकां कितें प्रॉब्लेम जातलो?
प्रताप सिंग राणे करूं काय आनी कोणाक करूं, काँग्रेस कोणाकय मुख्यमंत्री करता ते म्हाका कांय फरक पडना. आमी 5 लोक हांगा मंत्री आहा आमी आमचे इंडिपेंडंट असल्या कारणान कोण आनी UGDP असल्या कारणान आनी आमी आमचे इंडिपेंडन्सा खातीर आमकां मंत्री केल्ले आसा फाल्यां दे शूड नॉट बी एनी कोरिलेशन बिटवीन मिस्टर राणे एंड विश्वजीत राणे. मिस्टर राणे बिलोंग्स टू द काँग्रेस पार्टी. आय एम इंडिपेंडंट एंड आय एम फ्रॉम आउटसायड. काँग्रेसान कोणाकय मुख्यमंत्री करचो ते काँग्रेसचो इंटरनल विशय. आमी 7 लोक आसा ते आमी एकत्र आसा. आमचो विशय लिडरशिपा संबंधी येना.
पूण फाल्यां जर प्रतापसिंग राणेंक जर प्रपोज
हांवें परत सांगता कोणाकय
सपोर्ट करतलो
ना कोणाकय काँग्रेस पक्षान करचो. आमी 5 मंत्री ह्या हेच्यान आसा आनी आमी 5 मंत्री म्हणूनच काम करतले खंयचेय कॉम्बिनेशन येवन दी आनी आमी 5 मंत्री म्हणून रावतले कारण तेजे आमकां जर कोणाक एकट्याक काडपाचो प्रयत्न केलो तर 7 ग्रूप एकत्र आसतले आनी आमकां काँग्रेस पक्षान कितें निर्णय घेता वी आर रियली नॉट कन्सर्न. वी हॅव नॉट कम्युनिकेटेड विथ एनीथिंग नॉर वी आर इंटरेस्टेड. एज आय हॅव सेड my loyalty is for Mrs. Sonia Gandhi ji. Tomorrow Mrs. Gandhi tells me, Vishwajit, I want you to do this. That will be obeyed. But same time, there is no question of this group of 7 dispersing. Group of 7 is together. But I like I said, and तुमकां सांगल्या प्रमाणे ते 7 लोकांक दिसता की हांव केन्ना केन्ना सेल्फीश वागता म्हणून काल च्या पिवपाक गेल्लो आनी सांगले शब्द दिला तांकां की आमी 7य एकत्र रावया विकास करून घेवया. आनी काँग्रेस कोणाकय मुख्यमंत्री करची तो काँग्रेसचो विशय आमचो विशय न्हू.
तुम्ही आता ऐकला की विश्वजीत राणेन क्लॅरिफाय केला की ते कोणाकूय जर चीफ मिनिस्टर फाल्यां केलो प्रतापसिंग राणेंक केलो किंवा चर्चिल आलेमांवाक केलो जाल्यार ते 7 मेंबर ग्रूप तांकां तेंको दितले आनी त्या सरकारा बरोबर मेळूनच काम करतले म्हणून. हांव मुरारी शेटये आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट अनिल सनदी प्रुडंटाक खातीर.
The group of 7 held a meeting on Tuesday. Babush Montserrat is having discussion with the fuming Congress MLAs on behalf of Group 7. A meeting was held at Montserrat's Miramar residence on Wednesday. Our correspondent had a chat with Babush after this meeting. Babush said it took 10 months for the government to clear his Cyber Age scheme file. He said that the delay was a perfect example of mismanaged government affairs.
Group 7 is supporting Congress-led government. There is no question if Dicamber is there, Dicamber we are supporting. We are supporting anyone who is a Congress-led government chief minister of the Congress party. It's very clear. There are so many issues which are lingering with the finance department. Now this file is a cyber age scheme. This, in fact, this very scheme, the students would have got the computers 10 months back. The file was lying on chief minister's table for 10 months. If I am not speaking the truth, you can just go and confirm with the officials itself. 10 months I've been after this file. Unsatisfied because I am saying whatever we have promised, the delivery should be done. What message are we sending to the people? That it is only when someone makes a noise, then only government acts. If someone